True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So welcome guys, I'm in the town, in St. Elizabeth, Junction town area. So let's take a view of the place. Yeah man, so giving a tour of Junction 2022. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah man, so them place here, there's a lot of person here about them place here. Right across from the police station, bar and grill. Very nice place where you can come and hang out with the family members and stuff. So you all need to check out this place in the Junction area. There's, yeah man, big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Go now watch from yard or abroad. So keep on watching guys. Yeah man, so you see right across from the Junction police station. So I make a left turn, take it out to Pines Plaza area. Back in the days before coronavirus, like every weekend, they used to have some nice car show up on Pines Plaza, you know. So unique wheels, so you can come here. So all the guys, I love them accessory. Unique wheels, performance, rims and everything. You come at Pines Plaza. Courts also on this plaza also. Liquor store. So I'm just going to look a tour of the Junction, you know. Say 2022, a lot of things can change in a couple of days, so giving an update at Junction. Left. So if you don't make the right turn to take you back to the police station. So I'll be keeping left. Yeah man, you see it. And you know Junction have KFC, so you know a lot of things have changed in Junction. Yeah man, big up on yourself, big up all the firefighters there, man. You see the fire unit right there. Yeah man, so just give a little peep through the town, make sure we are going for the 2022. Yeah man, everybody a hustle, market, vendor them, get to know hot pepper and thing. Man I sell him hot dog and things same way. Yeah man, so I make a turn from the fire station road. Yeah man, so you have to look out for them bike guys there, you see it? Full speed ahead, so this road will take you out to the fire station. Yeah, so I make a little turn around that side there. Take you all back to the town area. Yeah man, so this is the Junction fire station, so you all can take a look at the Junction fire station, guys. Yeah man, so over here so the Shoppers Fair. You have the JN Bank and Digicel. Take a view of beautiful Junction in St. Elizabeth. Thank you guys for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.